no more restraints. Cold embrace of atonement froze up and broke all the chains. Prone to wait for a soul to show up and shoulder the weight. Not anymore, I've noticed that we're both sort of the same. Those foes will know of my name, they'll go with Itadori. Me for glory, don't see me flee until I meet the Mori. Beat them gory, I keep them bleeding till they grease the flooring. Leave disoriented, I treat them how they treated me. So soon they'll see them seething when they read the story. Best and better endeavors, never in doubt, I beat those demons on me, a step and sever them out. I need no Shikigami to get them fed to the hounds. You can bring an army, we'll see to it being dead in the ground. And they're keen to see when I'm back to the fiends or devils abound. So as long as my heart keeps beating, I'll beat them dead to the sound. King of the curses, defeat and sever his crown. And when I best him, looked at me and asked who's the better one now.
For tomorrow, I'll stand strong until the sun will shine again. Drowned in sorrow, no tomorrow. Will this nightmare ever end? I keep trying, though I'm fighting. Those around me keep on dying. I'm done crying, I'll be someone who will be saving you from saving me.
Knock my door, death is calling, I'll stay up until they all fall forward. Claw my way up until I've lost all four. Run to the days that my teachers all crawled for. Step in the ring, they gon' think they fought, crawl forward. It's business, I ollie on him, your honest twisted. Is bought off a listing on Alibaba, you're on the hit list. I'm rocking you till you're brought to the bottom. So Sonny, listen, you're wanting to fist and it's not a problem. Getting crazy, see I'm looking for the hook, it's getting hazy. You know I do the cooking by the book, I'm never lazy. You know I leave them shooken off, oh look at what they made me. And never lose my foot until I'm 6 foot in the grave deep. Bury your enemy, I'm your foe, and though it may seem scary, I'm taking back the control, I'll make your face bleed cherry. Red flowing black in these blows, they get the 8-piece sharing. The show, I'm back in the zone, let's get the fist to throwing. I'm pissed and don't get to know it, I'm missing up blitzing these hits in the center, get it going. I'm business, I'm sitting stoic, I'm him a different opponent. I'ma eat it up cause he didn't, like it's the mystic growing. When it's over, I'll stand proud in this honor, run to the win, I'll make them bow down when I clobber, talking them in the final showdown. If you scuff this ruffian kid, you'll get the bow, catch the balls, I'm cutting them thin.
For tomorrow, I'll stand strong until the sun will shine again. Drowned in sorrow, no tomorrow. Will this nightmare ever end? I keep trying, though I'm fighting. Those around me keep on dying. I'm done crying, I'll be someone who will be saving you from saving me.
Watch the curtains close, they close from the start. Only need one hand to devote my heart. Like a current flows, I'll glow in the dark. And I'll steer this ship like I'm Noah on the ark. Showered in sorrow, it rains and I'll part the seas. You couldn't make it to tomorrow, your future's parting with me. So I'll keep reaching to the stars, knowing who I'm starting to be is my meaning. So we'll see what is even a heartless being when he's facing a beating heart. Faced with the devil, now I'm taking the scheme apart. I keep it level, been through malevolent house. It consumes you while you're just failing. You're doomed to fail as you balance Sukuna shell as a vessel. But now back, I stand, arise. You'll never be as because I'm that man, that guy. Won't be defeated, see the facts, I plan to fight. Beat up a demon in the path, I'll stand the light. I'll be the reason we'll survive.
I'll stand strong until the sun will shine again. Drowned in sorrow, no tomorrow. Will this nightmare ever end? Oh, I keep trying, though I'm fighting. Those around me keep on dying. I'm done crying, I'll be someone who will be saving you from saving me.
Broken heart, tear me down, light the fires all around. Touch your skin, turn to ice. All we had, sacrifice. Why does it feel like I'm dreaming? cannot recover. I can't breathe, I can't see. You cut me open and out. You left me, broken but half alive.
Turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo, I hit the lotto, my motto. Roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham, this ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this. And now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis, hey. We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break a night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all about the trigger bus. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup it runneth over, tidal wave up in the ocean.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.